guys, where are we? We are in Clarksville. We just got done touring the Heritage Steel Cookware facility, and now we're grabbing lunch at Jumbo Crab right there. That's right, everybody loves the crab on their sign. So we got Jumbo Crab, and we're gonna see what it's like, see if it's comparable to juicy seafood or storming crab. We probably think it is, so let's go inside and eat. Just gotta get your initial look. I gotta get that initial look. Okay.
You know what I'm gonna say.
I know what you're gonna say.
Hey, this is a duplication of Juicy Seafood in Hermitage, Tennessee, which was a exact duplicate of the Stormin' Crab.
Which was the originator of this
concept. Which is the originator, right? So
okay, so let's just show you 360. See how all the walls are signed and everything with the ropes and the sailing and everything. There's lots of room here, though. I'll let you know how the food is.
But they have all the good crabs, but guys, if you ever come to a crab place, Dungeness crab is the most meaty, the most full you'll ever taste. So don't get hung up with snow crab or king
crab, right?
It's worthless.
And this is snow crab, isn't it?
Snow crab, I mean, a Dungeness crab is real thick and almost similar to a lobster on sizes of meat that come out. So just a little heads up. I learned the hard way, but when I got Dungeness, I'll never go back.
Exactly. And this is snow crab, right?
Yeah, but if you go on the other side, if you flip it over to where the appetizers are, here they offer Dungeness crab on it, and it's well worth it.
Oh, they do?
Oh, yes.
All right, so let me show you the whole menu here. We got the appetizers to start. And we ordered calamari and fried oysters. And there's all your pricing. Stop the video if you need. I love how they have pictures. Whoever designed this menu was brilliant.
And that makes it a lot easier when you can actually see what you're ordering.
Mouth-watering, too. And then here's the back side of the menu. And it's just like all the other places. Storming crab, juicy seafood. It's all pretty much the same pricing. They must watch each other like hawks. Okay, you were commenting on something. What was it?
Well, I'm looking at the prices here. The Dungeness crab costs just as much as lobster tail, $38 a pound, and lobster tail, $39 a pound. FYI, just came back from Maine. $20, boys and girls, for a pound and a quarter lobster meal with corn, with coleslaw, and with a side of fries.
You're showing videos on all of your main trip,
right?
Oh,
yeah, we've got about 25 videos in the queue now.
Wow. That's crazy. Well, by the way, I ain't paying that for Dungeness crab. I'm not doing it. You can pull my nose hairs out first.
We gotta see any other way they offer it, but Dungeness crab is the best way to eat crab.
Okay, dude, we're rolling. Talk to me. What did you decide now?
I learned another juicy tidbit.
Oh, no pun intended.
If Jack showed you what the inside looks here.
I did a whole thing.
This looks identical to Juicy Seafood, the one we ate at in Hermitage. I asked the waitress, and lo and behold, they own this. This is owned by them, under the name of Juicy Crab.
Wow, that's great.
There she is.
Okay, so we ordered calamari, and then we have
fried oysters, sweet potato fries,
beautiful.
We got
dipping sauce.
Thai curry,
sweet Thai chili,
cocktail sauce, and this is red hot and ranch.
Yep.
Excellent.
There it is.
Well, thank you very much.
There's just the appetizers. Yes. So we'll show you the clams and shrimp in a bit, but let's get started on this.
All right, guys, this is the fried oysters. I've had them already before. I can't wait to eat it. We're gonna try it with the sweet Thai chili sauce. I've had this before and it's excellent. Well, here we go.
You were Florida only, right?
Yeah.
And you were fine with both?
Oh man. Nice piece of oyster. Look at that. Now round number 2, we'll go right back in that Thai again. Well, I'm gonna get it out of the Thai. Will you look at this? Oh man. Out of this world.
Okay, what'd you get?
Well, we've got black mussels. I've got all corn, and I've got clams as well. Looks delicious. These little white things are clams, and obviously the black mussels. So I've had black mussels, and Jack, you ordered something different.
Yeah, I ordered the green mussels, which I've never heard of.
Supposedly bigger too.
But well, this thing's hot. Sorry. Which it does. It kind of has a green hue to it, but they're bigger and tastier and more tender, is what we were told. So we're gonna try both.
And what else did you get?
I got the corn, and did I get sausage? Yeah, I got sausage.
Did you get shrimp too?
And I got shrimp.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah, without the head, I got shrimp.
Yes.
So it should be pretty good. So why don't you try first a black mussel,
Oh, yes.
and then we'll get you hooked up with a green mussel.
Well, let me get one. Oh, wait, these are out if we need these. Let me get one with the mussel in it. There we go.
Yep.
They give us these nice, cute little forks. And we'll scoop this out. Oh, yeah. Now, I'm not sure if you dip this in anything, but I'm going to try just the way it is. Oh, nice.
That's how you remember it?
Yeah, this tastes good. There's not a real fishy taste. If it smells fishy, means it's not fresh. This tastes pretty fresh. So
Cool.
I like it. I like it very much. And we have clam. Oh, yeah, these are smaller. These are just different clams.
There we go.
Let's see how these taste. Oh, nice, flavorful. Very nice.
Taste this. This is a green mussel. Never had it before in my life.
Never knew that existed.
Here we go. Unlike eating an oyster, the green mussel doesn't come out as easy. So you have to go in after it.
Be a man about it. There you go.
You gotta try one of these. Much
Yes.
more flavor. Much more flavor.
Excellent.
You were right.
Good deal. This is lemon pepper. I went medium spice just because you didn't have a lot of spice in your bag with extra lemon juice. Really, really good on the green mussels and the shrimp and the clams.
We will
Excellent.
try that. Thank you so much.
Well, guys, this is the ending to a very happy story. We just came back from Heritage Steel, had a great time with them, looking over their magnificent cookware. And obviously it's lunchtime, dinner bell. We said, where are we gonna go? So we wanna find good seafood. We're in Clarksville, Tennessee. We see jumbo, is it jumbo?
Jumbo crab.
Yes, jumbo crab. I said, let's try it out. Had good reviews. Well, it's the same company as Juicy Seafood in Hermitage. This was a tremendous surprise. In the middle of almost like a Midwestern town. We're out way from Nashville, the metropolis, to get an outstanding seafood lunch, dinner, call it what you want. I stained my shirt. I just couldn't help myself. I didn't want to wear the bib, but I had to give in. This was 5 stars. The service was excellent. It was impeccably clean, and the food came out very promptly. Everything we tried, some new dishes were excellent. Never heard of green mussels, and they were like 3 times the size of black mussels that I ordered. The sauces were tremendous, and then she brought out a lemon infused mild spicy sauce that was excellent. So I'm telling you, if you're in Clarksville, check out the jumbo crab. You will not be disappointed. I just want to give a big shout out to them. They did a great job, and I will be back.
All right, guys, so here's the deal. All right, Juicy Seafood, Storming Crab. The story continues with Jumbo Crab. I don't know how many of these places we're gonna try out, but I do know this one thing. Storming Crab's the originator, had a very clean place, but this place gave us even more service, more recommendations, and was totally honest about the pricing and everything and how we can make the best meal combo. The green mussels are only $1 more, and you get twice as much meat, twice as much flavor, twice as much tenderness. Try out the jumbo crab. We had a blast here. The appetizers are all good. Check it out. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode.